Good afternoon. Coming up on 5 o'clock in a few minutes on what has been a great Monday. You're looking at the 4:30 temperatures. My forecast high today 72. So far, Portland has made it to 70. So we'll see what ends up being the official high. Salem a little bit cooler at 4:30 this afternoon, 66. Vancouver 68 degrees. Here's the metro map around the Portland Salem area. Sandy 71. Beaverton, the same. Hillsboro's at 70 degrees, 69 in Wilsonville, and Woodburn, a warmer thermometer. And I think that one typically shows up warm. I'm not sure if it's not properly sun shaded, but it usually shows up warm. I'm talking about Canby at 76 degrees. But there's downtown Portland from the Portland Spirit Landing and the Willamette and the Tilcomb Crossing, and just absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful out there. You know what? Let's go ahead and check out the coast too. While I'm thinking about it. A nice day, not as warm as the valley. The wind flow has been north-northwest, so you see kind of partly sunny skies over Tillamook Head from Gearhart by the Sea Resort up there by the McMenamins and the golf course. Astoria 59, Lincoln City 60, Newport 58. I mean, by all accounts, really beautiful. Depot Bay camera, we are resetting. That's why it's black and white right now, but there's the Inn at Ottercrest camera looking to the south, and you can see kind of partly sunny skies. 61 in Pacific City. Again, this is my weather site where I'm feeding you all of this information, portlandweather.com. This site was developed to really be a showcase of how quickly to check out what's happening at the coast and get the forecast. Same for Mount Hood, same for the Columbia River Gorge. And of course, we've got radar and satellite imagery. No need for the radar today, obviously, but my big story continues to be the fact that no later than Thursday, we're going to be into a little run of wet, cool weather, which we absolutely are due for. We are well below normal precip-wise going back to March 1st. So over here on the right, no lightning showing up out in the Pacific to our west, but you can plainly see a number of weather systems lining up. This first batch of clouds, no moisture, but will come in overnight tonight and give us some mid to high level cloudiness tomorrow. The front back here weakens, mainly passes to our north, and mainly brings a chance of showers to Seattle on Wednesday. Shower chances Wednesday for Portland and especially Salem and South look to be pretty minute. And then back here, it looks juicier, and it is. This is still the promise or possibility of fairly steady rain for a good chunk of the day Thursday, as the stronger system back here starts to come in. You can see it all outlined with the 500 millibar, 18,000 foot contours of equal pressure. And again, there's a pretty good low out over the a little bit northwest of the Gulf of Alaska and the Aleutian Islands. And there's that front that will come in right now, current timing Thursday afternoon. We'll see developing rain on Thursday. And again, it could be raining steadily all of Thursday afternoon, which is what we were talking about yesterday. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, this is going to stop Thursday, 8 o'clock. Half of an inch at the coast. It was about 35/100ths to 4/10 of an inch of rain Thursday up and down the valley. And you can see this will play it one more time. There's the Thursday rain totals. And then this next batch is what total rain could fall Thursday through Sunday. Basically an inch up and down I-5, 1.31, though heavier up in Kelso. And again, as it continues its cycle, you're going to see, here they come. Over 2 inches in Tillamook, over 2 inches in Lincoln City, and a half of an inch of rain out in John Day. So this would be just what the doctor ordered. We could use some soaking rains. The wettest day is going to be Thursday and Friday, with the wettest days. A little bit of a break on Saturday, and then rain picking up Saturday overnight and likely showers on Sunday. And a continued cool weather pattern Monday even to Tuesday of next week. So there's reason to believe that we are going to get ourselves a good soak. If you've been like myself and you've been watering certain things in your yard, hopefully we get a break from that for a little while with some good rains coming later in the week. All right, here's the way it all looks on the American GFS upper level map. This is this afternoon. Right in here, see the ridge contours up through Washington, up into Canada. That's our 70-degree weather today. We'll get it again tomorrow. Here's that system passing Tuesday night into Wednesday into Canada, producing showers in Seattle. We may or may not get something in Portland and certainly down to the south. You are looking at a split weather pattern with one system in Southern California and the other system up in British Columbia. That's Wednesday. Now, what piggybacks onto that one is a deepening trough Thursday. So all the blue shading is below normal pressure heights for the date. And it outlines that we've got a developing system on Thursday. That now watch how the blue colors get stronger. There's a developing upper level low Thursday night, and the Friday falls all the way down to Northern California. So, I mean, you could make the case that Friday is wetter than Thursday. We'll see. Certainly, this is cool weather. Friday snow level right now, I have at 4,000 feet up in the Cascades. A potential that Thursday night, Friday, there's some snow over the Cascade Passes, so travelers be aware of that potential. Now, Saturday, here we are, Saturday afternoon. See how the low drops into Nevada and then Southern California, and there's a northwest flow in the back of it. So this is a Saturday shower chance, but a day that holds the promise, or potential, I should say, to be fairly dry. And then I have us getting some rain on Sunday by the runs that came out this morning, but this shows some ridging on Sunday, which would be drier weather. And then right in here, it's kind of tough to tell, but follow my cursor. There's a weak system that comes in Monday, at least brings us some showers. Tuesday, not much. But then we get into, this is Thursday of next week, May 2nd, another strong front. Look at this deep low off of the coast. This will be a south wind flow, potentially some thunderstorm activity the back half of next week. Again, this is Friday, May 3rd into Saturday, into a chilly Sunday, May 5th. Lots of time for all of that to change. But remember yesterday I showed you the outlook maps, and the outlook maps have flip-flopped. And they now show that starting this Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe continuing all the way through about the 10th day of May, we have a chance to be normal to below normal temperatures with precip normal to above, which again is what we need. It's a flip-flop with the models we're showing, but it is absolutely what we need. So we'll keep you updated on all of that. I do want to show you the precipitable water. This is what they call microwave satellite imagery. Here's Portland, where my cursor is, Oregon and Washington. And you're looking for these little fingers of green that are kind of protruding up to the north. These are atmospheric rivers. Haven't used that term in a while. I haven't had much rain in a while. But back here is the potential of a pretty good moisture flow coming in, developing Thursday into Friday. So we'll see. Well, if we could feed off of that, we would definitely get some decent 24 to 36 hour rainfall amounts developing Thursday and continuing through Friday. That is the hope. I know it's a bummer if you have plans, but I'm getting my excitement pinned on the fact that we really need the rain. All right, so coming up on 5 o'clock, these were 4:30 temps, 70 in Portland, 68 in Salem, Seattle 61 degrees. Mostly sunny, warmer up there tomorrow. This shows 69. There will be, I think, at least some scattered showers around Seattle Wednesday, and then there comes the rain chances picking up Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday of temps in the 50s. Still working on getting the C79 in Medford. Yeah, I've sent my computer coder a message to correct that forecast. Hope to have that corrected at any moment now. It's 79 right now down in Medford. Eugene, 66 right now, 73 tomorrow, a dry Wednesday. That certainly makes sense. The farther south you go from Portland, the rain chance becomes 0 on Wednesday, 66. And there's the rain in 50s in Eugene, Thursday, Friday, and then rain chances into the weekend, as I mentioned. If you go up to Astoria, beautiful day tomorrow, just like today, about 61. Chance of rain on the North Coast Wednesday, but it wouldn't be much if it happens. And then the rainy weather on Thursday, Friday, and the rain at times into the weekend. Okay. What about Central Oregon? Bend, 66. It's been so nice over there. 69 tomorrow, 66 Wednesday. Chance of showers developing Thursday. That's a sign that that system on Thursday is strong enough to throw moisture over the Cascades into Friday, and then drying out, it looks like, eventually over the weekend into Central Oregon. My 7-day, and you know, what I showed you was some of the newer models that have just come in the last couple of hours. So this forecast may be changed. Tomorrow, 73, that looks good. Showers develop Wednesday. Let's change that to a spotty shower chance, but cooler with some cloud cover, mid-60s. And then rain develops Thursday. Showers or rain at times on Friday. Friday could be as wet or wetter than Thursday. Saturday still looks to be a day that could be potentially dry, with the rain chance picking up in the evening into the overnight. And then remember, I showed the European model, and all of a sudden it didn't look that wet on Sunday or Monday. So keep your eyes on these days for the potential of some changing forecast information as I look at the runs that come in later this evening and prepare for tomorrow. That is your update from the Portland, Vancouver area. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. My weather site's portlandweather.com. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you soon.